If you're looking for an indoor doormat that's fully washable, I think this is the one that you're looking for. And a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending it out to us to try. This doormat does come in 4 different colours and 5 different sizes, so you're going to find something absolutely perfect for you. The top is a really nice tough texture. It's going to be perfect for trapping all of that dirt that gets traipsed into the house, both by us and by the little paws as well. It is also very absorbent, so if you do come in with wet feet, it's going to trap that water too. The back of it is a non-slip, and I did put this to the test indoors on both my laminate and my tiles, and it did not move at all. I tried my very best to get it to skid around and to move and to lift. It would not budge. So it's a really impressive texture on there. So if you've got a lot of foot traffic, you're not going to be rearranging your doormat all the time because it just won't be shifting. Other features I really like about this doormat is the thickness of it. It's not going to be blocking the door as you open it. You're going to have plenty of clearance there to keep open your door and it not to get trapped or caught up. It's going to be super easy to keep clean. You're going to be able to run the vacuum over it when you need to, and also it isn't fully machine washable as well. So all you need to do, as and when you traps all that dirt and all that water, just pop it in the machine and it's going to be absolutely fine. Just by using this week, I can feel that it's a really good texture. It's going to be a fantastic dirt trapper and water catcher as well. And I did notice the stitching was really well done all around the outside and on the back. The rubber back is really strong as well and robust, and it's not going to move anywhere. This is going to be a perfect indoor mat for you. I'm absolutely thrilled with this one. This is going to be perfect for capturing all of that mess, all that water, so it doesn't get traipsed into my house and ruining all my carpets.